Hi, it's Gareth and Janet here in Ketchikan, Alaska. And we've got a handy map here. Welcome to Ketchikan. Somebody needs to bolt that down a little better. So we are all the way down here at berth 4. So you got to walk all the way here to get to Front Street and all the way up there to get to Creek Street. But we're going to walk all the way to berth 3, which is where, you know, the tourist area begins, you might say.
And our ship is.
These two souvenir stores are closed and blockaded, barricaded. I guess because there's not a ship here. What did you say?
This is berth 4.
So normally you could book a tour in one of these kiosks, but like I say, there's nobody down here today. We are on the Crown Princess and it's at berth 3. But the berths, which are the docks, are very long. But the flowers are blooming. And the seaplanes are flying. I should say float planes. Huh. An historic new town. A vital new neighborhood. Remember, Ketchikan calls himself both the salmon capital of the world and Alaska's first city. Because it's, when you head north, it's the first big city you come to. If you call Ketchikan a big city. So now we come to the Bar Harbor Ale House. I don't think it's open in a Tongass Trading Company outlet store. Oh, right there. And they're playing a lot of music, so I'm going to talk for a little while we pass the ale house and look at the price of jackets and things at the outlet store. Just past the outlet store, and we're still on a boardwalk. So there's a boardwalk all the way down to the end, to berth 1. Moose Lodge, Pizza Mill, Rainforest Cannabis. You know what that is? Fishing boats, pleasure boats, tour boats, cruise boats. Well, maybe that's called cruise ship. Huh. Trash cans advertising old cans of salmon. Casey Moran Harbor City Float Ramp 3. Do your part, report spills. Getting a little better look at the cannabis place right there. See? Notice the circular sign on the window. So off in the distance there, you can see the Crown Princess. And I don't know if you can see the hundreds and hundreds of people in line to get back on the ship. But there are hundreds in line.
How are you? Good, how are you?
So you can see there's houses way up there. Of course, it's heavily forested. Once you get up a couple hundred feet, I mean, it's thick forest all around, which is, you know, mostly what Alaska is, at least down in the south. This is not the end of the line here, is it? So I guess when other ships are in, this stuff is all important. It looks underused though, doesn't it? You see Jack Nicholson looking out a window over there.
That's people getting in line right
Yeah, so this is the end of the line right in front of us. Wraps all the way around that little building, which is a visitor center, and all the way up there. So, I don't know. Now, can you see the happy bears there? I'm going to show you a really happy bear in a minute. No, got nothing to do with that. Somebody's got a brand new boat, or maybe they're working on it. I covered it. It's working the rain. It was raining here this morning, but it cleared right up. Although it's frosty and windy. It's like 45 degrees with that's Fahrenheit, of course, with a wind chill of minus 10 more degrees, I would say. Yep, this is the line to get back on the ship. Yeah. So, here's what I want to show you right here. Now there's a happy bear. See the smile? That's right. Diggle, 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 diggle. Well, you know what?
There's some more happy bears.
Oh yeah. You do it.
So this is us in Ketchikan, Alaska. That's the line to get back on the ship. I'm Janet,
I'm Garrett,
and we'll see you in the next port.
and I'm gonna cough. Bye.
Bye.
Still up here on the bridge deck. We're actually going live and recording in 360 at the same time. The ship is making its slow turn. So you can see the glacier.
How far away do you think?